Buns. Today is a different type of video for this channel. So today we're gonna be working on today I'm gonna do something a little different. So basically I'm in the store, I'm like, yo, what are these? Because they are Sour Patch Kids and they go from sour to sweet. I'm like, yo, I know that shit gonna be nasty. And then we got Pop-Tarts ice cream. And I got a feeling these are gonna be good. So I think I'm gonna try these ones first, even though I really don't wanna try the good ones first. I would rather try the nasty ones first so that I can actually eat the good ones after that and I can throw the nasty ones away. But hopefully this video is something that y'all not too uncomfortable with, because I know y'all motherfuckers be in my comments like, yo, we ain't subscribed to see no fucking cereal. Okay, gosh, can I do what I want for once, you know? Shit, I get sick of unboxings. Oh, this is an unboxing. So this does fit in the channel. A Pop-Tarts unboxing. It's lit. Let me see, I want to turn the light up a little bit. Maybe that's too much. Okay, yeah, that should be fine right there. Alright, so of course we're dripping in the pink Dino, you know what I'm saying? Nothing heavy, something slight, tracksuit. Got the pants on too, you know what I'm saying? Screenshot then post it on your Insta. Okay. Y'all got it. I got text. I hate the way you at. Alright, so we're gonna start with the Pop-Tarts ones because they obviously look good. And I just got a bowl or plastic spoon here because I like plastic spoons because I can throw them away. Probably not the most environmentally friendly, but alright, so these are Pop-Tarts Frosted Brown Sugar Cinnamon. It's the back of the box. Unleash ridiculous levels of Pop-Tarts flavor with filling and frosting in every bite. Can I just mention that, remember like back in the day, well, I don't know if it's like this for kids now. If you're younger and you watch my channel, alright, sidebar, how do y'all open it? Do y'all open it all the way across? Because I don't. I open it just at the top. Like this. See? But, and do y'all do cereal or milk first? People that do, you know what I'm gonna do? With the power of technology, I can do these ones first, put it second, and eat these ones second, and put it first. Genius. I'm a genius. I'm so smart. Alright, boys, now we're about to be with the second cereal, which is, I'm at the first cereal, which is Pop-Tarts. And it's like a Pop-Tarts brown sugar cinnamon cereal for real. And I think it's gonna be good. I wish they had a smaller box, but how y'all open your cereal? Y'all open the whole thing or y'all just open the end? I just open the end. I got multi-tip. They smell good too though. You smell it? Can I smell it? It smells good. Oh yeah, it smells good. Y'all can see it. Alright, so these ones, it say it got like frosting on every one and then filling in everything bite. Like how yeah, I mean it's still an unboxing, you feel me? It's still an unboxing. Ew. Hold on, maybe they need some milk. Yo, they taste like, you know them little y'all know them little things that taste like nachos? They like little chips. Like little chips. My favorite cereals are Cinnamon Toast Crunch and Captain Crunch. Oh no, these ain't right either. This is the nastiest shit I've ever tasted. Like, it don't taste nothing like a Pop-Tart. It tastes like it would be cheese inside of there, if that makes sense. It tastes like them little chips, like Boogaloo's or something. And they like shaped like a cone. You know what I'm talking about, man? And if you look real close, that's kind of what they look like.
Wow. Yes.
I sell clothes, bro. and review shoes. See, I was showing YouTube, y'all. Look, this shit is so nasty. Yo. Oh no. They out of pocket. I thought you would think that these would be nastier than these, but these is nasty. These taste like chips and milk. And I'm not talking about no type of chips like, you know, you can buy the caramel popcorn and put them in milk. What's up, bro? No, these right here is just nasty. All right, guys. So now we're trying the second cereal, and oh my gosh, they really look like Sour Patches. I'm scared. I'm really scared, Joe. Hold on. All right. Joe, they smell just like Sour Patches. Maybe I shouldn't have pulled such a big bowl. All right, so let's see. This is kind of scary, by the way. I'm so scared. Now we're about to try these. All right, look. So, you know I only do cashew nut for real. You feel me? So I didn't expect it. I was so happy. Y'all look at the scratches on my face. Ain't this crazy? Alright. I'm recording a YouTube video, y'all, by the way. That's why I like this. My Sierra came here too.
She did?
She said call her when it's done.
She left the fucking food.
Probably the end of... I told you it wasn't done.
What?
Probably the end of January, the beginning of February. No, that's my haircut. If somebody put me and they scratch my face, I'll be mad as shit. They'll be dead.
What did she get? Nothing? I mean, she bring anything?
No, she didn't bring nothing.
Good. That's good.
Alright, give me 1 second. Alright, so I'm about to try it. I'm really scared. It say first they sour, then they sweet, but it's really the other way around. They really sweet and then sour. Who would make some shit like this? It kind of tastes like that other cereal. Hit me. Yeah, this cereal. Mom, what's that other cereal that kind of look like this? You want to taste it?
No, thank you, sir. Thank you, baby.
They're not bad, but they're not good.
Right.
Let me start recording. Alright, let me tell YouTube something real quick. Alright, so they're not horrible, but they're not all that either. They remind me of, it's not Lucky Charms. It's a real sweet ass cereal. Not Captain Crunch.
It's all kinds of shit.
Like, maybe Trix. They taste just like Trix. They really not good though. They're not.
They not good at all?
Damn. But they on live telling me they must be good because I keep eating them. I ain't gonna waste them. I'm about to though. Overall,
oh my God, it's killing me.
yeah. Hold on. Alright, Buzz done. So this was another unboxing, but this time it was cereal instead of shoes. But have no fear, we will get back out regularly. Normal scheduled programming soon. Whatever the case is, I just had to try this out. I had to do this for y'all because I'm like, I feel like the Buzz stars deserve to know what cereals to buy and not buy. Whatever the case is, fuck the bullshit. Like this video even if you ain't like it, because I done tried this nasty cereal for y'all so y'all can save y'all money. Subscribe, comment what's your favorite cereal below. I think that'd be a dope thing to do. Y'all should do that too. Y'all should tell me y'all favorite cereals. Other than that, I'm on live by the way. Other than that, so that's why you should follow me on Instagram. Other than that, stay untouchable. Godspeed.